Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how to beat Arena 19, also known as Dragon Spa, in Clash Royale. If you want to climb Arena 19 fast and consistently, this is the best strategy and deck to use. So, this is a Lumberloon freeze deck. Your core cards are Balloon and Lumberjack as your main win condition. So, this full deck includes Balloon, Lumberjack, Electro Dragon or Electro Wizard, Firecracker, Inferno Dragon, Freeze, Bats, and Barbarian Barrel. So, in a single elixir, focus on defense only. While use Electro Dragon and Firecracker to clear swarms, Inferno Dragon for tanks, or Barbarian Barrel for witches and ground troops. And in double elixir hits, launch your main push, Balloon plus Lumberjack. Then freeze the tower when they connect. This combo can take a tower almost every time. Higher levels help, but even at lower levels, this deck is extremely overpowered. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!